Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So as we wrap up our opening activities in week one, we're starting to move into chapter one for week two in our textbook. This week we will be focused on developing a topic for your research, developing questions, and working through a couple of activities. The important activity will be due on Friday, the 21st. Exercise 1.5, your actual proposal of a research topic, and we'll start the dialogue moving forward from there. Discussion board number 3, exercise 1.1, along with the discourse community activity component there will be due on Tuesday in discussion board 3. So read through the instructions. This is two-part. Exercise 1.1 out of the textbook will be part 1. Part 2 is identifying a discourse community, and I talk about this in the research topics area in the course unit, the weekly module. So let me get there. Just want to point out to everybody in chapter 1, week 2, I have an area right here, which is called research topic areas. And I really talk about discourse communities and what discourse communities are and how you might be able to develop a topic out of your discourse community that might be a little more interest to you and provide you a much more satisfying research journey through this summer semester. So take a look at the lecture video. I believe it's about 5.5, 6 minutes long, where I talk about discourse communities and some of the possible topics that may come out of the notion of a discourse community. I demonstrate actual student research topics and their annotated bibliographies. I have a couple of links here to a Swales article chapter and also Dan Melzer's article, which is really an important and interesting read. So you might want to work through that as you work through discussion board number 3 activities. I will post a lecture video about midweek like I usually do, Wednesday or into Thursday. A little bit more toward the discourse community, but more importantly, your topic proposal for exercise 1.5 mirrors the activity in the textbook. So the chapter content should be available to you throughout. Chapter 1 is an excellent chapter to begin that discussion about how to pull together a research topic. So once again, getting to the announcements here, I'll post up, I have posted up, I should say, the link to the chapter weekly 2 module there in the chapter 1 area for research topics right below. It'll take you right to the weekly module. All right. This will get you started for the week. Once again, take a look about Wednesday, Thursday for that lecture video. If you have any questions or issues, send me an email. Good luck.